English-Galician was, were, I was.
Eu fui.
You were.
Ti fuches.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey there. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and fresh practice. Strap in for a playful time jump through English was, were into Galician esser forms, clear, quick, and a little goofy. Your goal today. In just a few minutes, you'll confidently say all the key forms out loud. Ready? I was.
Eu fui.
Preterite, identity, role. You were, sing.
Ti fuches.
He was.
Ele era.
She was.
Ela era.
It was.
Era.
We were.
Nós éramos.
You were, plural.
Erades.
They were.
Era.
Tip. Preterite for one-time identity moments, I was the winner.
Eu fui.
Imperfect for background or ongoing past, he was tall.
Ele era.
Closing parenthesis dot. Mini dialogues that stick. Let's make them real, short scenes, big memory. A. Who won the race? B. I was.
Eu fui.
A. Yesterday, you were the winner. B. True. In Galician.
Ti fuches.
O ganhador. A. And Miguel? He was the coach. B. C.
Ele era.
O administrator. A. What about Anna? She was the captain. B. Exacto.
Ela era.
A capita. A. Was the plan any good? B. Yes, it was.
Era.
Una boa idea. A. Back then, we were neighbors. B. Right.
Nós éramos.
Vecinos. A. In the stands, you were so loud. B. Guilty.
Erades.
Ruidosos nos partidos. A. The old team? They were legends. B. Claro.
Era.
Lendas. Drill. Echo after me. Say the English, then the Galician, out loud. I'll reveal the answer after a pause. I was. Answer.
Eu fui.
You were, sing. Answer.
Ti fuches.
He was. Answer.
Ele era.
She was. Answer.
Ela era.
It was. Answer.
Era.
We were. Answer.
Nós éramos.
You were, plural. Answer.
Erades.
They were. Answer.
Era.
Culture tip. Galicia vibes. A quick taste of real-life language, yum. On the Camino de Santiago, you might hear, back then, we were pilgrims.
Daquela, nós éramos.
Peregrinos. At a match in A Coruña, they were unstoppable.
Era.
Imparables. Remember, it was sunny.
Era.
Soleado, I was the guide.
Eu fui.
O guia. Quick quiz. Answer fast, then check yourself. Q1, translate. You were the host, sing. A.
Ti fuches.
O anfitrion. Q2, translate. We were friends. A.
Nós éramos.
Amigos. Q3, translate. He was patient. A.
Ele era.
Paciente. Q4, translate, it was late. A.
Era.
Tarde. Q5, translate, you were loud, plural. A.
Erades.
Ruidosos. Challenge, tiny story. Try to follow the flow, I'll pack in all the forms. Yesterday at the festival, I was the announcer.
Eu fum.
O locutor, you were the star.
Ti fuches.
A estrella, he was calm.
Ele era.
Tranquillo, she was brilliant.
Ela era.
Brillante, it was a perfect night.
Era.
Una noite perfecta, we were so proud.
Nos éramos.
Muy orgullosos, in the stands, you were thunder.
Erades.
Trono, and the team? They were champions.
Eran.
Campions. Wrap up. Great job, you did it. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing. I was, you were, he was, she was, it was, we were, you were, plural, they were, with their Galician twins.
Eu fum. Ti fuches. Ele era. Ela era. Era. Nos éramos. Erades. Eran.
Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more Synapse lingo lessons, and come back tomorrow for another quick win.